In today's video, I'm going to teach you Monday.com, how to assign tasks to team members, 2026 Project Management Guide. Let's start by heading to your board. This is the central place where your project lives, with groups for different phases and items representing individual tasks. Make sure you're on the correct board for the project you're managing, and glance at the group and item names so you're assigning work in the right context. If your board has many columns, you may need to scroll horizontally to see everything. That's normal on larger setups. Next, look for the Owner section on the board. On most Monday.com boards, this appears as a people-type column labeled Owner, Assignee, or something similar, depending on your team's naming conventions. This column is where responsibility is tracked, so it's the single source of truth for who's accountable for a task. If you don't see it right away, adjust your column width or scroll to bring it into view. It's worth pausing for a second to confirm you're in the row for the specific task you want to assign, and the correct Owner column if your board has more than one People column. Now click the People icon in the Owner cell for that task and make your selection. A small menu will open with your workspace members. You can scroll through the list or start typing a name to filter it quickly, which is especially handy in larger teams. Click the teammate you want to assign, and you'll see their avatar or initials appear in the cell, confirming the assignment. If your column is set to allow multiple owners, you can select more than one person. If it's set for a single owner, your latest choice will replace the previous one. Choose carefully based on how your team manages accountability. One clear owner often helps avoid confusion, while multiple owners can work well for collaborative tasks. After you select the person, Monday.com will typically send them a notification so they know they've been assigned. That helps keep everything timely and transparent. You can hover over the avatar to double-check who's assigned, and if you need to change it later, just click the icon again and update your choice. For clean reporting and workload management, keep your selections consistent and use the same column for all assignments across the board. That's all there is to it. Go to your board, locate the Owner section for the right task, then click the People icon and select the teammate. With that simple workflow,